Hello, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing single number. So it says, given a non-empty array of integers nums, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. You must implement a solution with a linear runtime and using only constant extra space. So right now, I noticed something off the bat about the problem is that a good data structure to use would be a hash map, because we can count every instance of the number in the array. So let's head over to the whiteboard and work this out in a visual way. So we have 2, 2, 1 in our array. So we're gonna start at the beginning of the array. And so we'll say if we see 2, or say, hey, we saw 2 one time, or 2 is going to be the key, and it appears one time in the array so far. Oh, sorry about that. So we're gonna say, now we're gonna move to the next element. So we see 2 again, so 2 has appeared twice, so we change that 1 to 2 because it's the occurrences. And so let's move to our next element. We see 1 appears one time, so we put it in our hash map and we say as occurred only once. And so we're at the, sorry, I keep clicking the wrong button. And so we're at the end of the array now. And so we stop. And so we go through our entire hash map and see which element occurs one time. So 1 occurs one time, while 2 occurs 2 times. This is the number. This is the number in the array, and this is how many times it has occurred. So we say the number 1 has occurred once, the number 2 has occurred twice in the array. So that's basically how you solve it. You implement a hash map and you count every occurrence. You go through the hash map and see which value is equal to 1 in the hash map. So let's code this out in Python. So let's start. So first we should define our dictionary. So let's say call it occurrence. Let's just call it dictionary. Oh, let's just call it nums actually. And so we'll declare a dictionary. And so we're gonna go through every element. Occurrences. Let's call it occurrences. Okay. So let's say occurrences. So we're gonna declare, sorry about that. And so now we're gonna go through every element in nums and check and count how many times it has occurred in the array. So we're gonna say for I in nums. Sorry about that. For I in nums, we're gonna say if I not in occurrences, we're gonna set it to 1 in the hash map. Else we're gonna set, that means it is in the hash map, so we're gonna increment the number of occurrences. Now we have to go through the hash map. So once we finish this loop, we're gonna have this. We're gonna just have this array. Actually, this hash map which says number 2 occurs twice, number 1 occurs once. So now let's go through the hash map. For key, we're then gonna get the key and the value in the hash map. Hash map.ends. Now we're gonna say which value in the hash map is equal to 1. Now we're gonna return that key. So let's run that, see if that works. Or, oh, here's if I not in the current, maybe I spelled this wrong. I think for I, if I not in, there. I called that D, it should be occurrences, sorry about that. See, we got the correct output. Should get the correct answer. Yep. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Tune in for more implementations. Thank you.